See this? Now I'm going to give you a lesson in this legendary sword. I'm going to draw it.
Continue. Bird.
Hello, I hope that's good enough for you. But before I say anything,
Let's hear how to use it.
Before you use this, you got to be very, very careful. Boil it in oil, good, very much oil. Then just do like this, straight up his ass.
Could you show how to do it?
I'm not very good at drawing, but
Yeah.
like this. You see?
Yeah.
It goes straight up ass.
Could you show how to use
Then
it?
will go like this.
Yeah.
It's like
Show us how to use it.
okay, let me show you how to use it now.
He's right in position, man. Right in position. Listen to it, man. He likes it. He likes it. He likes it. Listen to it, man.
You heard it?
Try it on the Danish boy.
It's very good.
Try it on the Danish boy.
Now I'm going to try the not gay Danish boy. He likes it straight up his ass.
Let's show it.
Det kunne du lige, hva'? Det kunne du lige. You like that?
He can't because he's sitting down.
The oil is gone. You can't get it in because the oil is gone.
It's also good to beat people with like this.
Yeah. Do it on him, not me.
You want me to show?
Yes,
No.
of course.
No!
Up and dance, up and dance. He's in position. He's in position.
Hej Mads.